my channel. So in today's video, episode 4, because I'm a whore, of the Rainbow series, I'm going to review the Just My Luck palette. What the fuck? It sounds like a fucking war zone outside, honestly. Hopefully you guys can't hear it. But yeah, Just My Luck palette from ColourPop. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm doing the Rainbow series. So it's like, I'm just doing like every color of the rainbow from the monochromatic palettes from ColourPop. So episode 4, we're on Just My Luck. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this review twat. If you guys are new to my thing, as you know, like I said before, I swatch it first just to see every color and see what the formula is and shit like that. I'm sorry, I'm trying to take off the tape from the mirror. It's off. Okay, so yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's giving me weed vibes. I need a smoke break right now. Okay. So anyway, let's get this swacking. So chances are is the first color is like a pale green. Stunning. Alright, next one is Kiss My Ass. Cause I guess it's like more of like an Irish, like 4th of July vibe. That's what we're going for. It's like a minty green. I suck at describing color, guys. So honestly, I'm sorry. Ooh, that one's cute. I like that one. That was really nice. Fuck, I forgot my makeup wipes. Fuck. The next color is 50/50, which is like this dark green shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty or whatnot. Sorry if I had like red stuff on my hand. I was swatching liquid lipsticks at my job. The next color is called Big Banks. So it's like a green shimmer, obviously. It's like a minty green shimmer. Ooh, that's pretty. That's fucking pretty. That's pretty. The house down boots. The next color is Mary Jane. It's like this slime green color shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god. It makes me want to fucking sneeze. Oh my god, yes. That reminds me of the shade called Slime from the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette. I haven't dipped into that palette in a long time. I love that palette. Anyway, the next color is Olive You right here, which is this dark olive green shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. Let's swatch it right here. We're gonna go into arm hair territory, okay? I'm gonna do it twice because it was kind of chunky. That's really pretty. The last row is called Act Natural, which is this dark green matte. That's pretty. It's like a foresty green. I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's cute. That's cute. The next color is Mo Mamba. So it's like this dark green like satin color because it has like a tiny bit of shimmer in it. Not too much where it's like, whoa, it's a fucking shimmer. Like, no, it's kind of like whatchamacallit. So there that is. It's nice. Ooh. And the last color in this palette is Charmed. Right here. So it's like this dark brown with like a green undertone. Yeah, all these palettes, it's like every time I swatch it, it's like the pan moves. I don't know if it's like that for everybody else, but here that is. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It kind of looks splotchy on the camera, but it looks normal and nice on mine, like in real life. But anyway, there's all the swatches of Just My Luck. It looks pretty nice. I love the shimmers. I think my favorite shimmer is Mary Jane. Oh my god. But without further ado, let's get to the demo. With primer, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Anastasia eyelid primer. A little bit goes a long way with this one, so I'm gonna just prime my lids and I'll be right back. Do a bold green eye, like bitch, I'm giving you the gigs tonight, okay bitch? So I'm gonna take the shade Act Natural right here on a Morphe M456. I'm not gonna set my lid primer. I'm gonna just go in bare and raw. But don't go raw, kids. Use protection. Learn from my mistakes. The shade Kiss My Ass right here and just blend out any harsh lines that may have formed. I'm gonna cut my crease with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And if you guys are new here, I always do this trick. I just like go in. Take the shade Big Banks right here and just put it in my, where I put my concealer. And take the shades Mo Mamba and Charmed and just mix them together and just blend it out. Just like where I put right here, just over here, just to blend it out, make sure no harsh lines. Okay? I just took the shade Olive You and I just like put it in the middle of them. So like that, it looks really nice. But, alright, so guys, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, liner, lashes, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the final look. How you guys feel about it? Let me know down below. But anyways, yeah, my thoughts on Just My Luck is not gonna be my ideal palette, cause I feel as though it looks, I don't look nice with green eyeshadow. I feel like I look like sickly, like a little whore, a sick slut, you know? But in the inner corner, oh my god, that Mary Jane is still my favorite color. I might just use Mary Jane on different looks because I love this like Mary Jane color so much. But other than that, this palette was okay. It's still not my favorite. I think my favorite is still Orange You Glad. So yeah, Orange You Glad is still my favorite one. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was like, oh, I thought somebody was talking to me, bitch. I'm scared. Don't think I'm paranoid, bitch. I swear. I'm like filming right outside my door, so people talking shit, I'll hear it. Anyway, so you guys, if you guys like this video, give me a big, yeah. I love you guys so much. Yeah. I love you, my moon babies.